this is the calm before the storm. You can see the lake is moving, the waters are moving fast, and we're just contemplating on this storm to come through. This is just one example of what's to come from Hurricane Dorian. I'm just anticipating right now on what will happen here in Florida. So this is the calm, that is the lake before the storm, and we will see what happens soon. Keep us in your prayers, keep us in your mix. Let's pray that everything turns out okay. Let's hope that we all do the right thing and prepare properly for this storm. I'm in the wholesale place because, well, I can get everything that I need, and I can find what I need. And I pretty much can't find what I need. I'm just going in circles, and it is what it is. Maybe I'll find what I need. I don't see no God dogs. Oh, I passed right by. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. I think I did. You all know now that we're gonna get the mandarin fruit. We're gonna get I got the mandarin oranges. We got those because they were cheaper. They were $8.98, and there were no pineapples. So, oh, I lied. I see the pineapples, I think. These not the ones I want, but these are the ones we gonna get today. So we just gonna get these kind. These are good. They're like $5. So we're okay with that price. Them the ones we're getting today, baby. Real good. Okay. What else we need? Store's pretty empty now. It was crazy last night because I don't know why. Maybe everybody's done their shopping right now. So let's turn it back around. Well, doesn't look too bad in here. That's why I always come in here, because there's always something in here. So I always come in here for whatever I need. I don't see the vinegar. Oops. Anyways, that's why I always come in here and get up out the store so I can try to find some gas. But it might not happen today. It might happen tomorrow. I'm all done and I'm out of here. So we're getting out of here. So I finally got gas. Yee! I had to go all the way around. A little episode, but not much. Ain't a lot of people here. Child, we got gas. 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 I know. Y'all think it's little things that matter. So I finally did get gas. And I'm thankful. No line, no wait. They about to close. It's nighttime. My eyes red. Oh my God. Child. So, 16 bucks. 17 bucks. And I thought I had gas. Oh my goodness. 20 bucks. It's 280.9. 2201. Woo woo. So we got gas. We got gas, we got gas, we got gas. All right, I don't see the top. Okay, that's the end. All right, thanks for